Hi everyone, this is a video of my mark. I don't have too much, I don't have a lot. Let's just show you all these. This one is like beach ball, I guess, I don't know what it's called. This one is a Pee-wee baby, like a cat-eye Pee-wee baby. I don't know what this one's called, but cool color. You can see me. Well, you can see the camera. This one's a pearl. This one's a cat eye. I don't like cat eyes. This one's blue ocean, I think. This is a cat eye. Same one as the other one that I showed you. This one. This green one. This ocean blue, I think, or baby blue, I don't know. This is a beach ball. This one's like a root beer. This one is the kind of same one that I showed you, but blue. And this is for the beach ball. So that's all my markers, I guess. Yeah, that's all my markers. And yeah, and that's all for today. Maybe next time I can show you other kinds of marbles. So yeah, bye. Please subscribe and comment. Please watch it. Thank you. Bye.